What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It's a very nice Saturday out today. Very nice day to go out riding, honestly. As you can see from the title of the video, we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. It's a pretty big milestone and achievement for me because I've said this a lot of times, but the whole point of me vlogging was just to kind of do something and just, you know, see what it's like to just vlog my life, I guess, and like the things that I enjoy doing. So I didn't really start expecting a whole lot out of it, but to see that, you know, 1,000 of you guys decided to push that red button and just watch me or, you know, support me is just insane to me. In today's video, I kind of just wanted to talk about, you know, the achievement of 1,000 subscribers and give a really big thank you to all that have been watching my videos lately. I feel like vlogging and, like, you know, just you know, recording yourself, even if it's not your face, and I used to record my face a lot, it's kind of like a big, like, leap of faith, because you don't really know how people are going to react to your videos, and you're just really putting yourself out there, you know. So the fact that someone, like, there's people out there that actually enjoy my videos, it just really means a lot to me, and I just can't really thank you guys enough. Like, I've always told myself that, you know, I always want to stay as humble as I can with my videos. I always want to be my genuine self and never put on a mask or, you know, pretend to be somebody that I'm not. And even though it's only 1,000 subscribers, it's really not like a huge number. It's not like 100,000, a million, or whatever. But honestly, 1,000 is quite a bit of people to me, in my opinion. And yeah, it's just kind of like, I'm still a little shocked. It's been a few days since then. Today's the first time I'm actually free to make a video about it, so I wanted to get this video out there to you guys to show you how much I appreciate you all. And also, it is actually the weekend of TwitchCon, and you know, I had the weekend off, or at least I had this Saturday off, and I was like, you know what, let's go out for a ride. I haven't rode in almost about 2 weeks. I've been itching to go ride, and what better place to go ride than down to downtown and see if there's anybody cosplaying and see, you know, all the cool little things that people might be doing down there and stuff. So yeah, it's currently 12:09, so peak afternoon, and hopefully there's going to be a lot of people there. There it is, downtown San Diego. Woo! Petco Park. I'm a Padres fan, and we're about to go to the playoffs, hopefully. Hopefully we could win a World Series this year. Today might be the year. Oh yeah. God. So many bumps, so many holes in the road. That's Petco Park. Oh, we barely saw it right there, but there it is. This is the gas lamp right here. If you come here on a weekend, this place is freaking busy. We gotta go that way. There it is, the convention center. What a horrible place to get out. Look guys, there's a streamer. He's wearing a full-on suit. That's wild. He's right there. You see him? It doesn't look that busy. Which is kind of disappointing. Oh, hello. She smelled nice. Let's see if we could find any streamers. Nobody's cosplaying. That's weird. You can't really see. Meh. quite a few people here. Interesting. There's not a lot going on. There's a block party. Oh, there's Petco Park. Hot tub streamers? What the? Okay, well, that was anticlimactic, honestly. There was like nothing going on. And of course, people don't know how to drive. Alright, well, I'm gonna get out of the city. There was not a lot going on, honestly. So, whatever. Wow, this hill is steep. Oh my god, this sucks. This hill is so steep. I'm almost vertical. I need to find a way to get back onto the freeway. There it is. I'm so smart. What are you doing, lady? So nice. Cars have like the same exact color. It's kind of crazy, with different models and random parts. I might get some lunch at this Japanese market that I do enjoy going to because it's pretty good. They have good udon. I love udon. Udon is good. If you guys have never tried udon, you guys should try udon. Come on guys, let's figure it out. It's a Saturday. We should not be having traffic. Okay? Thank you very much. Places to be, things to do. Places to be, things to do. There's a Harley brother behind us. Harley! Harley! Get a real bike. Oh my goodness. Go ahead, lady. I'm trying to go right. Left. Fuck. So, unfortunately, we could not get the food that I wanted, but it's okay. I got something else, so it is all good. This guy has some fat slicks on the back, so he must be pushing some power. Or he just wants to be cool. I don't know. This truck is like hanging out all the way. Holy shit. But anyways, I got something else instead. Some teriyaki chicken bowl and some noodles and some soft drinks, because sometimes you gotta treat yourself, you know? You gotta treat yourself to a good meal. God, this guy's kicking up so many rocks. My thighs are sweaty. She was low-key pretty. It's so funny just watching people, like when you're riding. I just like to stare at people sometimes. And see what they're doing and see what they look like. What the heck? That freeway is dead. Oh, there's like a caravan. Woo! Let's go! Oh, you're not even paying attention to me, man. What is this? They closed off the whole freeway just for this? Let's see if somebody can see me. Let's go! Yes, sir! Woo, woo, woo! They're just looking at me. Oh, it's a funeral. I feel like shit now. Yeah! Okay, nobody likes me, I guess. People are probably looking at me like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Like, somebody just important to us just died and this guy's cheering it on. I cannot believe they closed off, they stopped traffic for that. That is insane. I'd be so pissed. Look at all that freeway. Oh my god, I'd be so annoyed. Alright everyone, I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you all so much for watching again. I want to thank you all for the 1,000 subscriber milestone as well. Like I said, I know that's a pretty small number, but to me it's a pretty big achievement. Because, like I said, I never expected anything out of it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching my videos, and hopefully I keep putting out some bangers for you guys. It's kind of hard to come up with video ideas because, like, you know, there's only so many things you can do with motorcycles, I guess. So, but I appreciate you guys sticking around still and watching my videos. But yeah, I'll catch you guys for the next one. Peace.